My friend asked me, is the weather nice today? I look outside and then I start to say, I think so. The sun is in the sky. Maybe there are clouds up high. Every answer has a place, every word at its own pace. When you're not sure, that's okay. You still have something great to say. I think so, maybe, I'm not sure. I disagree, but I wanna learn more. You're right, of course, that's true. These are words for me and you. I think so when I'm almost sure. I don't think so when I wanna say no more. Maybe when I'm in between, of course. The clearest answer I have seen. You're right, I agree, that's true. I'm not sure, it depends, and that's okay too. My friend says English is hard to learn. I think about it, then I find the words. I agree, but it gets easy every day. That's true, we both know what to say. Do you like English? I think so, it's fun to learn. Is it easy? I'm not sure, maybe. Do you think you'll be fluent one day? Of course I agree, it just takes time. What if it's too hard? I disagree, it depends on how much you practice. You're right, that's true, I think so too. I think so. I disagree, that's true. I'm not sure, it depends on me and you. I think so, maybe. Of course, you're right, I agree. It depends, and that's okay too.